Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Taude from Gossipfunda. We are looking at the problem of Google Messages RCS not working. Here are two troubleshooting steps by which we can resolve this error. First is to update your Android software. For this, open settings, that is, go to your phone's setting app, then scroll down and tap on System or Software Update. Check if any available system updates are present and then install them. The step 2 is to turn on your RCS chats in Google Messages. Open Google Messages, then tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the app. Select Settings from the drop down menu. Under Settings, tap on Chat Features. If RCS, that is Rich Communication Services, is available for your carrier, you will see an option to enable chat features. Tap the toggle to turn it on. The application will verify your phone number. Once verified, the chat feature should be connected. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.